guess what's up? Guess what? This is a American Truck Simulator. I'm making an awesome American Truck Simulator series. I'm gonna, watch this stuff. Alright, I don't know what to put my name as. Let's find something creative. That's a tough fucking one. I guess we'll fucking have to select that one, won't we? Let's see, what do I want my guy to look like? Come on, let's use that guy. He looks hilarious. Shit. Yeah, that's my trucking name. Oh, I gotta choose a logo. That's racist. Let's choose a fucking tire. Yeah, that really represents who we are. What do I want to use? A fucking keyboard always. Simple automatic. I don't want to go through no bullshit. So I want my headquarters to be in Bakersfield. Obviously, that's where everybody wants their stuff to be. There's some people here. Sup, other people? How the fuck are you guys? Wait, could I actually chat to them? What's up, other people? How are you guys? I don't know what to say to that. He kind of just defeated me right there. What is this bullshit over here? How do I get rid of that bullshit on the fucking bottom left of the screen? What's that yellow bullshit right there? I'm breaking the law right now, guys. I'm going fucking faster than the speed limit. But what makes you think that I give a single fuck? See, look at that. I almost fucking crashed. Fuck. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh, I thought I was gonna crash through that tree. Apparently, it's fucking not a real tree or whatever. Nobody really cares about California, They convince you they give a shit, but they do not give a fuck. Oh, okay. That makes sense. Now I gotta turn the corner. Oh my fucking god. Look at that. What the fuck? Stop this bullshit. Alright. What the fuck? Nah, I don't want any XP. Fuck that. I don't even... Late? Fucking 286,123 hours and 48 minutes. How? Fuck this game. I got my package on me. I have my package and I'm ready to go. Oh my god. I'm fucking trapped. Are you serious? Hopefully it should be easy. I don't think it will be easy. Fellow truckers. Nice weather we're having today. Fucker. Sorry for making you mad. Jeez, these people are fucking easy to trigger. What the fuck, dude? There's a fucking Ray's Hamburgers. Very nice. I like that place. I've been there. I've been there in real life. His burgers didn't taste really that good, though. They tasted like something other than a burger. Who's that? What's up, trucker? Trucking Tom. Oh, a fucking Trump, man. What's up, man? It's hot. It's on fire, like. It's kind of scary. I better not touch it, then. These people are fucking assholes. What up, fucker? Oh, fuck. Well, whatever. We can just back it up. I drank a beer when I was 7. Yes. We're here. We're at the fucking... We're supposed to... Good, I'm not late. At least. Oh my god. I fucking damaged it. Oh god. I'm about to get married to my cousin. She's not directly related to me, thankfully, because she's only my cousin, so it's legal. It's fine with me. I'm gonna get married to my cousin. Well, It's a way of life for a trucker. Yeah, you're not a Trump man. You know I am. Alright, I'm gonna have to find a way to pull out in front of these guys. Alright, we're gonna do this. It's a fucking caravan. Look at that. Can this guy go any fucking slower? Like, what the fuck is his deal? Are you a trucker like I am, man?
Yeah, sure, bro. I'm running a double nickel on a Foghorn, Los Angeles. Have a good trip.
Alright, I will, man. I've had enough. I've had it up to here. I just cheated my way to Nevada. Are you trucking, man? I'm trucking. I sure am trucking. What the fuck are these people even saying? What the fuck? Is he threatening me or something? Trucking.
What the fuck is wrong with y'all? Learn how to drive?
Jesus Christ, man. Calm down. Holy shit.
This is a road. It's not mine. The fuck?
Y'all crashed into me. I ain't crashed into y'all. You pulled out of the house and turned it into the young lane.
Anybody else here a real trucker? A real trucker? Like my...
Want me to show you a real truck? I'll show you a real truck when I kick you on the ass.
I can't take that seriously. Alright. Confirm. Come on, please. Give me a level 2. I just want to end this so bad. 420 XP. That's wonderful. Come on, level 2, level 2. Oh, yeah. Alright, guys. You know what? I'll see you in the fucking stream. I'm going to travel really far in that stream, by the way, because I got more miles. I'll see you in said stream. And yeah, I'll see you also in episode 2. Where fucking, you know. Yeah. That is it, guys.